dealing with a victim, like I said in court, this case, it's been almost 3 years since she was attacked. It's been 2.5 years since the charges that have been pending, and she's been through so many continuances. She's been through a startup of a trial. She's been through a trial, and she's trying to put her life back together and go on, and she can get no closure in this particular case. I'm not saying it's the court's fault, just all the circumstances of this case have just put her on an emotional roller coaster where she gets up to go to trial and she's down and she's up, and it's been a horrible experience for her, and hope it's not an example that other women that are watching that might become rape victims, that every case is not like this. This has been a very unusual case, and we just wanted to put her point of view out there for the court, that this is extremely hard on her, just wander in at the last second and ask for continuance after continuance, and every time the trial's set. So.
As far as Mr. Vandenberg being severed, the judge has ruled on that, and that you're in agreement with that?
Well, the judge ruled on it, I'll say that. It was based on one of the defense attorneys, Mr. Vanderbilt, having a medical condition. So the judge granted their motion for continuance.
Can you explain what
Did you
that
say
is? What is that? What's the issue with who? Is it Mr. Bolin or Mr.
Well, I can't comment on who it is, but that was just the issue that the judge was forced to grant a continuance.
A sense of when that may, what might we be looking at for that trial?
I'm not sure right now. We just don't want to comment on that. We'd like to get it as quick as we can. Like I said, we would like to move on, get this case over for the victims, for my benefit, and all of our benefits. You know, we've been working on this case for 3 years now, so it's time to bring it to conclusion.
Mr. Robinson said he felt it was a reactionary decision by the state to sever yesterday. Can you comment on that?
Well, obviously, we didn't know there was going to be a continuance granted to Mr. Vandenberg. So, as the judge said, there are all these resources. We're flying people in from out of state. We got hotel rooms. They've got buses rented, hotel rooms for jurors. Got 150 citizens coming in Chattanooga. So yeah, there's all these resources out there that are expended already. So we thought it's our best interest to go ahead and at least try one and get that behind us. It'll make it a little bit simpler trial too, so it won't be as long.
But are you worried about what having 2 trials, how that's going to affect the victim in all of this?
Well, we're not happy that that's happening. That's true. But we felt it was in our best interest to go ahead and get one behind us and make it a shorter trial and then deal with the other issue later.
Tomorrow will be jury selection. Anything you'd like to say about that in regards to what happened last time with jury selection?
Well, I mean, it was just an aberration. I've been doing this 39 years, and I've never seen anything like that. So, you know, we'll ask the same questions, and hopefully they'll respond truthfully. That was just an unusual situation that we've never encountered before. So.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
See a show of hands. How many come to Chattanooga?